Okay, what are we going to do next? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this texture that we have underneath and we're going to apply it to these to this title right here. Okay, so how are we going to do that? First of all, let's close this. And we're going to copy this, Command J. Pull this on up on top. Great. Now, one thing you might note is I used down here the divide blending mode. You gotta watch out. I gotta put that back to normal. Whoa, that made a big change, didn't it? Well, we're gonna change that by control clicking on this guy and saying create a clipping mask. Boom. Alright, and you'll notice that we now have that texture is happening here underneath the text. See how it's underlined? Right there. Okay, so now I can play with the opacity of it. There we go. And I can also grab that and really make it more condensed in there. Very awesome. However you want to do it, go for it. And kind of like, there we go. Play around with that. Boy, you can play around with these settings all day, can't you?